Ukraine's army said on Tuesday that it has launched airstrikes on Zmyiny, Snake Island, causing significant losses to Russian forces. Ukraine's Southern Command claimed aimed strikes with the use of various forces. The military operation continues and requires information silence until it is over. Satellite images from Tuesday show a destroyed tower in the southern end of the island and burnt areas on the northern end. Snake Island was seized by Russian forces soon after the invasion began on February, with Ukrainian defenders as an icon of resistance for their defiant Russian warship, Go F Yourself. In recent weeks, the Ukrainian military has counterattacked. Last month, strikes flattened most of the buildings on the island, with the Ukrainians claiming the destruction of a landing craft, 2 patrol boats, and a helicopter. A Russian logistics ship was set on fire days later. UK military intelligence assessed on Tuesday that the Ukrainian defenses have largely neutralized Russia's ability to establish control in the northwestern Black Sea. A Russian naval tug, delivering weapons and personnel to Snake Island, was sunk last week by Ukraine's first successful use of a Harpoon anti-ship missile, part of international military aid to Ukraine. The Snake Island battle comes as a Ukrainian kamikaze drone today plowed into a major oil refinery inside Russian territory, sparking a huge fireball explosion. Flames engulfed the building and black smoke poured from the key strategic facilities, located some 4 miles from the pro-Putin puppet state Luhansk People's Republic in Ukraine. Russian air defenses failed to pick up the incoming drone, initially reported to be Turkish-made Bayraktar, but later said to be a Ukrainian UAV PD-1 or PD-2. Russian workers, who unwittingly filmed the drone strike, were heard laughing at the sight of the drone as it flew close to them, but they panicked and swore repeatedly after it struck the refinery, with one shouting to run away. Footage from the scene shows firefighters battling to contain the blaze as plumes of black smoke billowed into the air. It is just the latest blow for Putin, who has suffered extraordinary losses with pro-Russian separatists in Donetsk losing 55% of its troops, British intelligence said today. The Ministry of Defense said Russia's outdated weapons and equipment have hampered their success, and the Kremlin will now have to deploy reserve units to the Donbas to make up for the losses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.